This 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by TX Work Trucks. Don and M, number 39, T Mississippi. This one owner, clean Carfax. 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD service body work truck. 6.0 V8 LS engine, 6L906 speed transmission, single cab long bed, nap hide service bed with flip-up top storage runners, dual fuel, 25-gallon gasoline plus 40-gallon CNG tank, $2.50 per gallon, good tires, cold AC, hot heat, cruise control, removable AP3 on racks in the bed, tow package with built-in brake controller, fresh oil change and Texas state inspection. Ready to work. www.tswertrucks.com 5101E University Drive, Denton TXCERO. Down commercial financing available. Keywords: Chevrolet, Ford, Ram, GMC, 1500, 2500, 3500.